Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a DIY enthusiast, contractor, or just love exploring the latest in power tools, today's video is for you. We're going to dive into the 10 best cordless power tools available on Amazon that'll make any project a breeze. So grab your tool belt and let's get started. Number 1. The Works 4-volt Zip Snip cordless electric scissors offer an efficient solution for anyone tired of struggling with manual scissors, especially when dealing with tougher materials. These cordless electric scissors are designed to cut through various materials like fabric, cardboard, carpet, and even plastic with far less strain on your hands. Thanks to its built-in rotary cutter and automatic sharpening system, the Zip Snip ensures that every cut remains smooth and precise, keeping the blade sharp for consistent, reliable performance. The 4-volt Max lithium battery provides ample power to easily slice through materials and holds a charge for extended periods. This means you don't have to worry about recharging frequently. It's ready whenever needed. The Zip Snip also prioritizes safety. Its operation requires pressing both the trigger and the lockout switch, preventing accidental activation and ensuring that the tool only works when you're in full control. Works has engineered this tool to be compact and lightweight, weighing only 1 pound. This makes it easy to handle, reduces fatigue during longer projects, and provides greater maneuverability for precise cuts. Additionally, a power level indicator keeps you informed about the battery's charge, so you'll know if it's time to recharge before starting a task. With an internal battery and an included charger, you can conveniently top up the power without needing to buy or replace batteries. Overall, the Works Zip Snip is a versatile, long-lasting addition to any DIY toolkit, designed to make cutting tasks simpler, faster, and safer. Number 2. The Deco Pro Cordless Drill 20-volt electric power drill set is a versatile tool designed for DIY projects and home repairs. Equipped with a powerful 20-volt motor, this cordless drill offers 2 variable speed settings, allowing users to choose between 0 to 350 RPM for precise control and 0 to 1,350 RPM for faster drilling tasks. It features 18+1 torque settings, providing the flexibility to adjust the power based on the material, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, from drilling into wood to driving screws into metal. This drill comes with a 1.5 lithium-ion battery, delivering sufficient power for extended work sessions, and includes a charger for convenient recharging. The compact and lightweight design, weighing only 2.5 pounds, ensures easy handling and portability, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Its compact form makes it suitable for tight spaces, and it's easy to carry for any project around the house. With reliable performance and user-friendly features, the Deco Pro 20-volt cordless drill is an excellent addition for anyone looking to complete DIY tasks efficiently and comfortably. Number 3. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Jigsaw is a powerful cordless tool designed to deliver efficient, precise cuts for a variety of materials. Featuring a brushless motor, this jigsaw maximizes performance and extends runtime, making it a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With a blade speed of up to 3,200 strokes per minute, it offers the power needed to handle tough cuts smoothly and efficiently. Its compact design enhances grip and control, allowing for better maneuverability, especially in tighter spaces. An integrated LED light illuminates the cutting area, ensuring visibility even in low-light conditions. The variable speed trigger and dial provide precise control over blade speed, making it easy to adjust according to the material and task. For added convenience, the jigsaw has an all-metal, lever-action keyless blade change system, allowing for quick and easy swapping of T-shank blades without additional tools. An integrated dust blower keeps the cutting line clear, improving accuracy. Additionally, the 4-position orbital action feature allows users to control the balance between cutting speed and quality, making it adaptable for various applications. The DeWalt 20-volt Max XR Jigsaw is a high-performance, user-friendly tool built for precision and durability. Number 4. The DeWalt 20-volt Max circular saw with a 6.5-inch blade is engineered for power, precision, and durability, making it ideal for demanding cutting tasks. Its robust 5,150 RPM motor delivers impressive speed, allowing the saw to slice through tough materials with ease. With a 460 Max XR engine, this circular saw provides the strength needed for high-performance cuts, making it suitable for both professionals and serious DIYers. The saw's high-strength magnesium shoe adds durability for long-lasting accuracy while remaining lightweight for ease of handling. An optimized, rubber overmolded comfort grip ensures balanced control, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The 0 to 50-degree bevel capacity allows for aggressive bevel cuts, providing versatility for various applications. The included 6.5-inch carbide-tipped blade is designed to make clean cuts through double-thick material at 90 degrees and 45 degrees, maximizing productivity with more cuts per charge. The DeWalt 20-volt Max circular saw combines power, portability, and precision, making it an excellent tool for carpentry, framing, and other cutting tasks. Number 5. The Avid Power Electric Screwdriver Set is a versatile, rechargeable 4-volt cordless tool designed to make fastening and light drilling tasks efficient and hassle-free. Powered by a robust motor, this screwdriver delivers a maximum torque of 5.65 Newton-meters and a no-load speed of 200 RPM, ideal for handling various DIY projects and light wood drilling. Its 1/4-inch metal chuck allows for quick and easy accessory changes, saving time during use. The screwdriver's dual-position handle can switch between straight and pistol grip, offering flexibility for reaching tight or awkward spaces. With a forward and reverse switch, users can easily change directions between driving and removing screws, making it a user-friendly tool for any task. Designed to be compact and lightweight, the screwdriver supports one-handed operation, while the front LED light provides automatic illumination for accurate work in dimly lit areas. Equipped with a built-in 1,300 mAh lithium-ion battery, the tool offers extended runtime, and recharging is convenient with the included USB cable, allowing charging anytime, anywhere. The Avid Power Electric Screwdriver Set also comes with 44 accessories, making it an all-in-one solution for household repairs and DIY tasks. Number 6. The Czi Cordless Reciprocating Saw is a powerful, lightweight tool designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With its robust 200-watt brushless motor, it delivers up to 3,500 RPM, effortlessly slicing through wood, pipes, and metal. This high-performance motor ensures durability, efficiency, and extended tool life, making it ideal for diverse cutting applications. Swapping blades is a breeze with the tool-free blade change feature, allowing you to replace blades in seconds and maintain productivity. Weighing just 2.0 pounds, this reciprocating saw supports one-handed operation, making it comfortable for prolonged use and accessible for all users. Its versatility shines with the included set of 8 saw blades, allowing precise cuts across different materials with a 15mm stroke length, from pruning branches to cutting metal pipes. Equipped with two 2.0 batteries, this saw offers extended runtime for long projects, while the fast charging feature reduces downtime. The integrated LED light enhances visibility in dark or tight spaces, ensuring safe and accurate cuts. Built to withstand tough tasks, this Czi reciprocating saw is a durable, reliable choice for anyone needing dependable cutting power. Number 7. The Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit is a compact yet versatile tool ideal for detailed DIY and crafting projects. This kit includes a high-performance rotary tool and 61 popular accessories, making it perfect for carving, sanding, polishing, drilling, and engraving. Whether you're crafting resin pieces or doing light touch-ups, this tool acts as an all-in-one solution for fine work. Note, however, that it's best suited for light projects rather than heavy-duty tasks. The tool offers 5 adjustable speed settings, ranging from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM, giving users precise control over the intensity needed for various tasks. Beginners will appreciate the ease of speed adjustment, which allows careful control at every stage of crafting. Lightweight and pen-like, this rotary tool offers a comfortable grip that enhances precision, even during prolonged use. The USB-charged 3.7-volt battery powers the tool for up to 200 continuous minutes, ensuring extended usage with minimal downtime. An LED indicator light helps to illuminate the workspace, especially in low-light conditions, reducing shadows and enhancing accuracy. The Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a convenient, efficient choice for detailed DIY enthusiasts looking for reliability and versatility in one compact package. Number 8. The Thinkwork Cordless Detail Sander is a powerful, convenient tool designed for fine woodworking and detail work. Powered by a 120-watt motor that delivers 12,000 orbits per minute. This sander offers high power with low vibration and minimal heat buildup, allowing for smooth, efficient sanding on a variety of surfaces like wood, plastic, metal, and painted surfaces. This makes it versatile enough for sanding, polishing, paint removal, and rust stripping tasks. With its lightweight, cordless design, the sander weighs only 2.6 pounds and features a compact, triangular shape that enables easy access to corners, edges, and other tight spaces, making it ideal for intricate detail work. The ergonomic mouse design and soft rubber grip enhance comfort, reduce hand fatigue, and provide a stable, controlled grip during extended use. The sander also includes an efficient dust collection system with an easy-to-attach dust bag, allowing for cleaner work environments by capturing dust and debris as you work. Complete with 21 sandpapers, a battery, a charger, and a carrying bag, the Thinkwork Cordless Detail Sander offers an all-in-one solution for high-quality finishing and detailed sanding tasks in any workshop. Number 9. The Hoto electric screwdriver is a compact and powerful tool designed to make your DIY projects and repairs more efficient and comfortable. Featuring a 3.6-volt rechargeable motor, it offers 3 torque settings for precision, with a maximum torque of 4 Nm in electric mode and 8 Nm in manual mode. Its intelligent sensor stops rotation once the button is released, preventing damage to screws and avoiding finger injuries, ensuring total control with just one hand. This cordless screwdriver includes 12 ultra-durable bits made from S2 steel, capable of handling up to 60 HRC hardness, making them strong enough for a variety of tasks like furniture assembly and electrical repairs. The magnetic tip ensures easy and quick bit changes, so you can stay focused on your work. Additionally, the built-in LED light provides excellent visibility, even in dimly lit areas. Weighing just 0.55 pounds, the Hoto screwdriver is incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, with a double-layered soft grip for comfort. The frosted aluminum alloy storage box keeps all 12 bits organized and portable. Powered by a 1,500 mAh battery, it can drive over 1,000 screws on a single charge and recharges quickly via USB-C in under 150 minutes, offering reliable, long-lasting performance. Number 10. The Works Nitro WG543 20-volt LeafJet leaf blower is a cordless, powerful tool designed for easy lawn care and outdoor cleaning. Weighing only 3.8 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, allowing for comfortable one-handed operation without fatigue. Equipped with a brushless motor, the LeafJet offers enhanced performance. It delivers 40% more power and a 10% longer runtime compared to standard brushless motors, and provides 70% more power and 10 times the lifespan of traditional brushed motors. The sonic turbine fan pulls in more air, producing a strong jet stream with 7.3 newtons of force, ideal for clearing leaves and debris efficiently. The LeafJet features 2 powerful modes controlled via the variable air control nozzle. The volume mode achieves up to 410 CFM, making it great for clearing large areas quickly. The speed mode reaches 130 miles per hour, perfect for handling wet leaves and stubborn debris. For versatile use, the blower offers 2-speed control, a low-speed setting for light tasks like sweeping and tight spaces, and a high-speed mode for more demanding cleanup. The 20-volt battery and charger included ensure you have all the power you need for extended use, making this a reliable tool for all your outdoor maintenance needs.